Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how did I ended up into this situation. Let me show you how.
हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
The South India Odyssey 2024 is primarily based on a similar ride that I did with few of my friends in 2015 July. One fine day I was just sitting and thinking about it. I saw the photograph of the map in my phone and I just thought, let's do the ride again. So I put it in my group and I get a lot of positive responses and the final list came down to 14 riders.
हवाओं के संग साथिया.
To put it in 2 words, it was a gear-changing experience. Instead of sitting on the bike, I learned living on the bike in these 10 days.
I remember as a young person watching this movie Legend of Bhagat Singh and उसमें एक dialogue आई थी कि when you want to do something revolutionary, bomb फोड़ना पड़ता है. And I think going out there as a group of 14 women riding bikes caught the attention of a lot of people, and especially it caught the imagination and fancy of children. You know, the schools that we went to, all the children were like, my God, कितना बड़ा bike है, आप कैसे चलाते हो?
Since this was being declared, I was really looking forward for it, that I really want to do this ride. I did some off-roading part of it which I've never ever done, and it just happened.
This ride made me learn to have like a lot of patience. कैसे चीज़ें डील करनी है लाइफ में, चैलेंजेस हैं, अपना स्ट्रेंथ कैसे बढ़ाना है.
It was an experiment initially and now it has been quite a few days after the ride has ended and I've got a lot of positive feedback, and I can very confidently say this now that this has been the most loved ride in the last many years that we have done.
Final score I think वो last में रखना भी छोड़ दिया था, and the massive fall at airport added to it.
The day we rode in the tea gardens in Munnar. Now that we recounted, it was comical. It was challenging that day, so you know, some kind of oxymoron over there.
चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया.
Then we were just crossing Rameshwaram and we stopped and there was a guy came in and I was just sitting and he just holded my hand and said shake hand. I said wow, what happened to me, and next time, so it gives me a celebrity feeling and also it's a fun moment, but suddenly it happened, so I could not, you know, that experience was very different. It's fun plus it was like overwhelming also.
One moment wherein it was a peak hill turn and 3 buses were crossing. There was no space for the bike to come in and Kerala drivers don't stop at all. So I literally took a turn wherein it was a very small, narrow part wherein it's all rough, all rocky. And I went from that one, then another bus came second, another bus came third. After that, after a few meters, I stopped there to just take a breath. What did I do and how did I save myself?
ये बेताबी किससे मुलाकात होनी है, जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही
The entire stretch of that Dhanushkodi ride was very, very memorable. I mean, it's going to be the most memorable for me. I actually also like had tears in my eyes.
रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही
Whenever we used to start, Amit sir used to share a location in the common group, and somewhere along the route he would just stop somewhere and just change the route. And you know, most of us while riding wouldn't even bother to check if it's been rerouted or something. So quite a few times, many of us went on to some different paths, and we were all just tracking each other on Life 360, one of the tracking apps. And it was fun when everybody got together at certain spot and we just discussing that we went this way, we went that way.
जिधर भी इन राहों में रंग पिघलते हैं निगाहों में ठंडी हवा है ठंडी छाँव है
The second day of the Rameshwaram, we were very busy, and when we reached in the evening, the Dhanushkodi road was closed. So I was very sad. I literally cried because my dream didn't came true that day.
ये क्या दिखलाया है मुझको
हर सपना सच लगे जो प्रेम अगन जले जो राह तू चले अपने
Amit sir, Ganga, Manisha, they were like, let's do one thing. Tomorrow morning we will continue with Kanyakumari. You go to Dhanushkodi and have your clicks. So I said, okay. ठीक है. Other day, 4:30, they went to Kanyakumari. They started for Kanyakumari and we started for Dhanushkodi. And the clicks we got there in the daytime, it was too good, too scenic and lovely.
Also, when India Post reached out to us for a collaboration, and the idea was to promote or revive the art of letter writing, we said, let's jump on the bandwagon. It's a wonderful concept, and in fact, we have 5 commemorative postcards for this ride, which are specially designed and made for this ride. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Disha, who's part of the academy, for arranging all of this collaboration and making it one of the most successful collaborations that we've done in the past.
This bike rally is no longer just a bike rally for all of us. It has become such a memorable moment for all of us. The fact that all my seniors, for example, in the department also, secretary posts, Honorable Minister for Communications, Jyotiraditya Scindia sir also, they all very positively encouraged that yes, we can go ahead with this. And to be very honest, it's not very easy or very usual that you would see these things in the government sector. So just to share a very personal anecdote from my own life. So I was sent to hospital when I was in 9th class. The only way when how I was communicating with my father, because in those days we didn't have mobile phones. So the only way that I was communicating with my father was through letters. And somehow in those days, while I was writing a lot of letters to him, I didn't realize a very major part. And what was that? I happened to read those letters after 10-15 years after writing them. And when I reread those letters, I realized that I wasn't writing to my mother at all. And she was actually absent from my letters. What we are trying to do is that do not let this art die. Stay connected, make out some effort, put some effort and put your thoughts onto a paper, feel it, because the recipient is going to treasure it. They are also going to anticipate that something is coming.
Women at the core are nurturers. To associate this with something that is nurturing towards a younger generation, where you're reminding them how to emotionally invest in communicating, I think that connects very well with the essence of being a woman and taking that message around and putting it across very gently and very succinctly to the young generation. I think it came across very nicely. It gave us a lot of meaning. We were all very excited to meet the children. Children were equally mesmerized by, women bikers, and they probably hadn't seen women bikers, many of them in their relatives or family circles or vicinity. So it all came together very well, and a lot of meaning and purpose in otherwise what was a fantastic fun outing with my fellow riders.
The group has always been like so supportive. Whenever I'm falling, everyone is coming up to pick me up. That was one of the best moments, which shows that there is a unity and integrity in the group towards each other.
The friendship that I have gained from this ride, it will be there forever. I have met very special people and also a small daughter also. Yeah, so it's a very beautiful relationship that I've gained from this ride, and I'll take this forever with me in my life.
All are jolly natured. Everybody was like on its own high peak, that few people are just dancing on the road without music in front of the bikes, waiting for other people, just dancing. Few are just falling without reason, standing and falling.
किसी को अगर आप पहचानना चाहो रूबरू, तो उसके साथ सफ़र करो. Not SUFFER, but हिंदी वाला सफ़र. And the good, the not so good, our emotionally low moments, our absolutely childish side, everything came out during this ride, and I think we all connected. You almost become family-like, and now we are inseparable for life.
It is going to be a lifelong memory for all the riders who were part of this ride, and a different level of camaraderie and sisterhood has developed among those riders who did this ride.
How is this a hug? The ride was fun,
Dream came true.
Outstanding.
Awesome,
thrilling,
Emotions.
amazing,
Stress buster.
Adventures.
insightful.
Suma super machi.